very quick and easy DIY tutorial on how to make these rhinestone earrings. All you need is acetate sheet, rhinestones, E6000 glue and earring backs. So normally before I start, I try to lay out all my rhinestones and create a design that I'm happy with, as you can see in this video. Once you're happy with your design, simply put your glue onto the acetate sheet, put a generous amount, and then start gluing your gems back into place. All the gems are glued in, I like to take some more glue with a pin and put it in between the joints to create more support. Allow the glue to dry for at least a day. Once the glue is dry, get a small pair of scissors and cut away the extra plastic sheet. Once you're done with that, then you can add your earring backing with the same glue and allow that to dry for another day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this, and please press the bell icon. Bye.